We're back at it again. Now today we got good stuff going on. We're doing a little beauty reconditioning. We're trying to change these studs to the Speed Factory ones. I ordered 2 sets, but I'm still waiting on the second one to come in. I think these are the 40s, and the 45s, sorry, the 55s will be for the intake when it comes. So we're doing this. Also, the coil and plug setup, we're going to put this on, and we also have to retap one of the studs, one of the bolts for this one. This one is kind of stripped out. I don't know what happened. I guess when I took the bolt out, I just came out with it, and we're trying to retap this one, but I was able to locate this old innovative mount, so I'm just gonna see if I could just clean this up instead of having to retap it to use the black one that I have. So in order to install the coil and plug plate, you have to take out the valve cover, of course, and take out these 2 bolts. And just look at inside the engine, still clean, no debris, no damage. So this is the built motor. Now the only problem is these gasket maker, I'm just gonna leave it on for now because I still have to change the valve cover, so I'm not really worried about that. I just want to get the plate in just to close everything back up, put it back in the car, and then when I'm in the car I'll take care of this. And this is a little bit of overspray I got, but that should wear off. So yeah, so now you have these 2 out. These are the spacers that goes underneath, so it's gonna get a little difficult. Get to put them like that. Go right here. Put a valve cover over it, and then once everything is on, then you're supposed to be able to just bolt it down. To put the valve cover back on, put the regular washers back in place, and this is where you just line it up. So that's the washer that we just installed. Okay, so those are the washers in place. You put the regular washers on, then you install the plate. And just drop the washers in, then just drop the screws in and tighten it up. So I believe that's how it should be. But I still think I'm gonna end up putting one of these washers on the inside just to cover up the hole. So take the plate off and put the washer in. So that's how it looks. I put the little old washer on the outside, put the plate on, then just drop the screws in. So this is the right wire one that I had, but I lost the hardware, so I ended up having to just buy a little cheap eBay one. It's not bad, but the best part about this is I could put the cover on and have everything look OEM. So that was the main purpose of this. So that's done. So everything is nice and secured. Now it's time to work on taking out these studs, swap those over, and then I could start on tapping the engine and helicoiling that fitting. So you do the double nut method, tighten one on backwards, then you just loosen it. Just get it matched up with this hardware. Hold on. Okay, so this looks like it's the right hardware. It's the right size. So this one I'm going to be installing, and then when I get the other 55, I put those in the rear for the intake manifold. Okay, so we have everything out per the instructions. Supposed to put NCs on these, so I'm just gonna put a little bit in, but more or less that's it. Just use the Allen key, tighten it down, and this portion of the install will be over with. Doesn't look too bad. So now onto the intake manifold side, which is right here. Just gotta take these out the same as before. And when the new one comes in, most likely the engine will be in the car. I could just install it without having to struggle. The studs are swapped over for the front. I removed the studs for the rear. The coil plug plate is in. So now, starting on this is for the helo coil for this bolt right here. For some reason it just stripped out. So now I have to just drill it out, tap it, and then see if I have the same fitting for these. I have to switch these out also to use a cord mount. If I had an H22 mount, I would have used it, but this is one for the cord. The other one, I think this is for, I have no idea. It fits on it, but I think this is for a Civic. So locations are completely different to where this is, so it won't fit. Oh, but got new hardwares for here, so I'm gonna swap these out real quick. So I put the other cover on. Looks decent. So I had to pop the transmission off to get to this bolt. This is the one that threads I cleaned up. This don't look too great either, but so I'm gonna put this one in. Hopefully everything works, so I could just tighten up the bolt with no problem. So this is what we're gonna do. These studs are M10 by 1.25, so I have to buy a new tap for it. I don't have that size, so I have to buy it. But to take these off and to drill out this particular hole, it'll be 11:30 seconds. So I have to buy those two parts. So this is how I take stuff out. Just tighten it. There you go. It's loose. Now just use the gun to take it out. So that's my way of doing it. So you can see it's dark, it's nighttime, but I did get the tap that I needed. I got the size, so now I'm just gonna drill this transmission. So tomorrow it's one less thing to worry about. Got my little light. Now I just gotta drill that hole out, these two, and that should be, and hopefully that'll take care of it. So I'm gonna do that right now. So what I did was I marked off the stud, the depth of the stud, with this black tape, and then I just drilled up to that point. So everything's already drilled out. All the way down to the tape mark. So I'm just gonna clean out this hole, clean them up, and then I can start tapping. Okay, so the hole is tapped and it goes all the way down to where the stud is, so it should be good. There you go. So just gotta now tap this second line, and that's it. It's a M10 by 1.25 tap, and the drill bit is at 11:30 seconds. That's what you will need. And so the two are tapped, so everything is good to go. So this one is done, this one is done. This is the original one we're gonna keep. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.